We spent the night on a mooring buoy in a lovely bay located on the coast of Hvar. The next day, we set out to discover this beautiful piece of land. We followed the local doggy all the way up to the fortress above the town, from where the view was just magnificent. Then we stayed overnight in Molat, from where we continued to Primošten. We were lucky enough to find a free spot and then spend a lovely evening there. We stayed on a mooring buoy overnight, alone. The next day, I went on a little adventure on kayak to a nearby island and discovered a fish farm there. We sailed on, and the course was set on Valley-ish. It's a quiet place with a few restaurants, and we were relaxing and enjoying the lazy atmosphere. Our last stop was a lonely place called Pergulli. We had a couple of beers with the locals, and they told us they feel a little isolated sometimes, but they like the self-reliance and peaceful life. In the morning, we took our bikes to explore nearby villages on the sleepy island. And then it was just a short passage to our home marina. It was such an amazing experience in terms of sailing, exploring new places, and meeting new people and their lives. We said goodbye, but definitely not farewell.